Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Relo at Express Dentist. And, often people wonder, how do I choose a dentist? It's a good question. It's a big decision. You're trusting your care to somebody and you'd like to know a little bit about them. So there's a few criteria that you might consider when you're choosing a new dentist. First of all, think about the location. Is it convenient to reach the dentist? Will it be somebody that's easy to reach if you have an emergency? Most people choose dentists that are within about 7 or 8 miles of their home. That's just statistically. But you might decide to choose a dentist that is close to your workplace as well. So that is certainly one thing to consider. Second, you may consider insurance. If you're dependent on an insurance plan, you may want to know if the dentist takes your insurance, processes your insurance, is in network or out of network. There can be some complicated questions around insurance, and that's something that you may want to find out. Another consideration are reviews. These days, reviews matter. You know how it is for anything. If you go to Amazon, you're going to buy a product, you're going to go to a restaurant, you check reviews. And 90% of people say that they check reviews when choosing a healthcare provider. And most people say that they actually trust reviews more than the referral from a family and friend. So they are very important. But that brings us to another consideration, is the referral or the advice of people that you trust that maybe use that dentist. And then you can learn a little bit from them and see if it sounds like the right fit for you. Another consideration is the specialty of the dentist. So most dentists are general dentists, and they can perform a lot of procedures that have specialty parts to it. But if you need something very specific, maybe you have a very complex orthodontic case, for example, you may be looking for an orthodontist rather than a general dentist. But a general dentist can be a great place to start to help screen, make sure that your teeth are healthy, that your bone levels are adequate, for something like orthodontic treatment. So that can be certainly a good place to start. And then another criteria is just your personal preferences. Everybody has their own style, and you may see something on their website or in their reviews or in their social media or something that you've heard that just really seems to fit your style and what you're looking for. A good example would be if somebody's looking for, a holistic dentist, for example, one that is completely metal-free and uses various techniques that are focused in that direction, then you may want to look for that type of criteria. So when you go to a dentist for the first time, what should you do there to evaluate whether you found the right fit? There's a couple of things to consider. First of all, how does it feel? How does it feel to be in the office? How do you feel about the culture of the office, the setting of the office? Most of us have a pretty good idea pretty quickly whether we're in the right place or not. And so that's a really valuable intuition to trust for yourself. And then, ask questions while you're there. Ask questions of the dentist. Make sure that you feel satisfied with what you're being told and what the staff has to share with you as well. That's a valuable criteria. And also, when you go to the dentist for the first time, be sure you bring along any insurance information, your insurance card, and you're aware of any copays that they may collect up front as well. So, there's a few considerations when you're looking for a dentist, and that just gives you some things to think about. Now, if you need help selecting a dentist at Express Dentist, we have a trusted network of dentists everywhere around the country, and we can help you find one that can fit with what you're looking for. So if you give us a call and let us know what's important to you, then we can help you get situated with a dentist, at least for that first visit, to make sure that you're where you want to be and that feels comfortable to you. So just a few ideas of how to choose that first dentist, what questions to ask, what to look for, and I hope that helps you keep your smile healthy and beautiful.